Hello YouTube, this is TNG, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Windows 8 in all of its glory feel a lot more like Windows 7. Because let's be honest, even though all the optimizations of Windows 8 are really nice, like the fast boot up times and things like that, who really likes all of this, right? The start screen and the Metro apps, I'm not a big fan. So in order to change all of that, first head over to Properties on your taskbar. Go to the navigation tab and then look down here to the start screen section. So we're just going to check and uncheck a few of these boxes. So when I sign in or close all apps on a screen, go to the desktop instead of start. We want that to be checked so that we can bypass the start screen and go straight to the desktop. That way the desktop feels more like the base, like the root of the operating system instead of the start screen. Now go to Show Start on Display that I'm using when I press the Windows logo key. We don't want that because by start, of course, it means the start screen, not any kind of menu, and we don't want that to appear. And then finally, list desktop apps first in apps view when it's sorted by category. This basically means that it's going to show the desktop apps before all the kind of Metro full screen apps. I would like this to be enabled. Some people might actually enjoy the Metro apps, and that's fine. But honestly, this option shouldn't really matter in general because I believe that apps view only really affects the start screen, and since we're not really going to be using that, it probably shouldn't really change anything. But I like to keep it checked just in case, so that desktop apps are kind of a priority. So anyway, next we're going to actually be installing some third-party software known as ClassicShelll. If you just head over to ClassicShelll.net, I'll have the link in the description. And yeah, this will basically replace the start screen, or the start screen will still be there, but it replaces the function of the start button down here. It makes it so that the Windows 7 start menu comes up instead of kind of the full start screen. So yeah, just download the ClassicShelll installer, super quick, easy download, and run it. Now for me it's going to give me an error because I've already installed the software, so I'm just going to hit OK. But once you install it, I believe this will come up automatically, but if it doesn't, just head over your apps and go to the classic start menu settings, and here you'll have a bunch of options ranging from the style. Style is not how it looks, but rather kind of the organization and layout of everything. I like Windows 7 style, but there are also older ones like from Windows XP era and Vista and whatever. And then you have basic settings, skin. I like the Windows 8 skin. But that's your choice, really. You could make it look exactly like Windows 7, or you could make it look like Windows 7, but with more of a Windows 8 feel, so it goes better with the rest of the UI. I actually like that. And yeah, you can basically, and then you can even customize how everything looks specifically. So there's a lot of options here. I like the default settings pretty much. Oh yeah, and you can even change the start button, so if you want it to look like that for whatever reason. I don't really like that. But anyway, just hit OK. And once you're done altering the settings, you'll now see that the start menu is fully working. So you see what I mean now, how it looks like Windows 7 one. It's got the layout, but it doesn't look like the Windows 7 design. It's got kind of the Windows 8 flatter Metro almost theme, but it still has all the functionality of Windows 7. So yeah, I really enjoy ClassicShelll. I definitely do not like using the start screen. Accidentally clicked on something else. I definitely do not like using the start screen. Which you could still access, but I wouldn't recommend it. And yeah, or you could also access it by here. But basically, clicking the button in the bottom left and pressing your Windows button on your keyboard will both activate this start menu. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, rate, subscribe, whatever. See ya.